Hey, welcome back to another White Sponge live game development. Okay, so today is going to be a little bit special, as in, okay, by the time you are watching this, okay, it should be up on YouTube. Okay, because due to some technical issues with Twitch TV, okay, we will be doing it in a offline recording format. Okay, but let's continue with where we left off for our new enemy in Stars. So previously we connected the animations for the left side. So now let's do the same. Okay, moving right to attacking right. Okay, and if we set if attacking as true, okay, so it's the same for idling right. Okay, if attacking is true, and stun right to attack right if the enemy has recovered from being stunned. So if stun is false, and if attacking is true, and of course if facing right is true as well. Okay, so let's see. So from attacking we can go back to moving, or rather this enemy can go back to moving if you have managed to escape from its line of vision. So if attacking is false, okay, if facing right, and if the speed is 0.1. Okay, but it can also go back to idling, as in just being stationary on the spot. So if attacking is false, if facing right is true, but if the speed is less than 0.1. Okay, so when the enemy is attacking, it is also, or rather you can also stun it while it is attacking. So if stun is true. And now from attacking left, it can also go to moving right if it changes direction. Okay, so this is if attacking is false, and if facing right is true, and if the moving speed is more than 0.1. Okay, so the reverse is also true. From attacking left, you can go to moving. From attacking right, you can go to moving left. So if attacking is false, okay, if facing right is false, and if moving speed is greater than 0.1. Okay, so the enemy cannot change from attacking left to attacking right. Okay, because if it is attacking left, excuse me, okay, if it is attacking left, that means you are on its left side. So that means it won't change direction to attacking on the right, because you can't teleport from the left to the right immediately. Unless you run past the enemy, which will cost you health. Okay, so this is our spider web for our enemy, our new enemy here. So what we are going to do now is to create a prefab for our new enemy, so that the game can recreate it or spawn it whenever it needs to. Okay, but before that, we need to create a new enemy type for our new enemy here. So let's go to spawner. And let's see, okay, let's create a new enemy type and call it, okay, sentry, goes to 12, enemy type sentry. Okay, so our enemy type will be, oh, okay, wait for it to update. Okay, our enemy type will be now sentry instead. Okay, and using this newly created enemy, okay, we'll drag and drop it to our prefab here. Okay, and now we can disable this. And in our spawner, over here, okay, we can drag and drop this over here, so that it spawns the new enemy that we have created. Okay, so going back to the spawner script, so since we have just created the new sentry enemy, we have to test it. So let's make sure that the spawner only spawns this new enemy, which is our new sentry bot enemy. Okay, and just for testing, we'll have one enemy only. Okay, this is just for testing. Okay, and we have to make sure that we start from the metal world straight away. Okay, just for testing. Okay, so let's turn off the music for now and test the game with our new enemy. Okay, so that is our sentry bot. Okay, notice that it is moving rather randomly. Okay, that's because we have not really attached or created any AI behavior for it, for our new sentry type enemy. Okay, so that's what we're going to do next. Okay, so this is just the animation of our new sentry enemy. Okay, notice that it's just idling and floating without doing anything. Okay, but we are going to change that with, or rather we are going to change that from, okay, by adding behavior or AI to it. Okay, so to do that, let's go back to our script for, okay, the enemy here. Okay, so notice that as we add more and more enemies, our enemy script is getting huge. So one way we could prevent our enemy script from getting too big is to create a new script just for the sentry type enemy. Okay, but since the sentry type enemy has similar behavior to, or rather it takes a few similar behavior from some of the existing enemy types, we should use the current existing enemy script first, and then we'll add the later sentry alert behavior using a new script. Okay, so over here we'll add enemy type equals to enemy type dot sentry. Okay, so and let's come over to here. Defensive shooter. Okay, and over here, enemy type equals to enemy type dot sentry. So basically it has most of the behavior from our brickhead in the brick wall and the first enemy of the metal, which is our dusty drone. Okay, but it doesn't really shoot projectiles. Okay, not basic, not floating. Okay, so over here we also check if it is the sentry type. So what this portion does is that if the distance between this sentry type enemy and you is more than its attack range, it will move towards you. Okay, but of course our new sentry bot enemy will not shoot projectiles, but it will move towards you. or rather we shouldn't do that, and instead we should make it hide behind enemies. If never detect, okay. So over here we check for the new sentry type enemy. Okay, and let's see. Okay, that should do it for the detecting of player, as in the enemy's detection of the player. Okay, so not equals to basic and not equals to floating. Okay, so our new sentry bot does combine a lot of the behaviors of the current existing enemies, but it doesn't shoot any projectiles. So we need to take that. We need to have that into consideration. Okay, so over here, stationary shooter. Okay. Okay, so this portion is for the sound effect. When the enemy is attacking you,